Hello children. Today we are going to start new chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. Our life is divided into different stages, and different stages of life are infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood and old age. The period between 0 to 2 years falls in infancy. 3 to 12 years we call it childhood. 13 to 19 years, this period we call adolescence. 20 to 40 years, adulthood, and above 40 is old age. And out of all these stages, the most important and crucial stage is adolescence. Why is it so important in our life? That we are going to study in detail in this chapter. Now, what is this adolescence and puberty? The period of life between 11 years and 19 years when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Between the ages of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescents and they are also called teenagers. What is puberty? During adolescence, the body undergoes several changes and becomes capable of reproduction. These changes are the beginning of puberty. As a lot of changes take place during this age of life, this stage is considered as very important stage. Now, we'll see what are the changes that take place in our body. Changes during puberty are increase in height, change in body shape, voice change, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. And you all must have observed these changes in yourself. Talking about first change, increase in height. By the age of 11, a boy reaches about 80% of his height and a girl reaches about 88% of her height. Initially, girls grow faster than boys. By about 18 years of age, both boys and girls reach their maximum height. Generally, the height is similar to the parents because it depends on the genes inherited from the parents. Another change that is seen during adolescence is change in body shape. During puberty, boys have broader shoulders and wider chest due to faster growth of muscles. In girls, the breasts begin to develop and the region below the waist becomes wider. Changes are observed in voice as well. At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow and therefore boys develop larger voice boxes due to which boys have deep and hoarse voice and the larynx is visible clearly, which is known as Adam's apple. Girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside and girls have a high pitched voice. During this age, the secretion of sweat glands and oil glands increases. Many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of the increased activity of these glands in the skin. Also, during this age, children reach the mental maturity, intellectual maturity, and emotional maturity. Mental maturity means it is the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. Intellectual maturity, the changes in a person's way of thinking, the person feels more independent than before and also becomes self-conscious. Emotional maturity, a person may feel insecure while trying to adjust to the changes in the body and mind. And children, all these changes are natural. Everybody goes through these changes during this stage of life, and therefore it is very important stage. So we have to take more care about our diet, our hygiene,